In this video, I will show you how to contact Temu live chat support. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and contact the live chat support team on Temu, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to Temu and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, if you come up to the top and next to your name, you're going to see the support option, and if you hover over this, you're going to get this drop down menu. So from here, you want to click onto Support Center and FAQ, and that's going to take you across to a page like this where you've got some helpful articles to help you with any problems. Now, if you actually scroll down to the bottom of this page, you're going to see a button down here which says Contact Us, which is under Still Can't Solve the Problem. So what you want to do is click onto the Contact Us button, and what that's going to do is actually bring up this chat window in the bottom right hand corner. So from here, what you can do is go ahead and describe your problem. There is an option as well to add attachments like photos and things like that as well, so you can add that if you want to. And then of course you can speak to live chat directly and get help from Temu through their live chat support team. So that's how to contact Temu live chat support. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.